A sunset over water with a city reflection, but no city in sight. I like that. I think I'll make the city with straight up black. Just randomly lay some down here. On guard. Let's just make some cool, random kind of looking buildings. Okay, now we're just going to turn her over. I want the sun to be about here. Put some yellow cab at the top. Some Campari orange just below that. Random red, I don't even know what it's called. Some royal red just right here. I'm just going over that again to blend the colours in. This is going to be like the biggest sunset you've ever seen. The sky, I want the same colours, but the opposite way around. Okay, that's looking fresh. Let's take this guy off, and that is beautiful. Grab this new guy.
No, God, please, no, no!
I'm going to lay him down right here. This is the part where it could all go wrong. I need to be like absolute light in here. Now I just need to dip this guy down and give him a jiggle. Please work. This is how I ruin my tools. 100% did not work, but we're going to keep going. We'll shoot some white up here to give like a misty waterline. Put my sunset colours, background down here. Some black over those. Grab the weekly and crumple it up. Let's go for a drag-a-rooney right across here. And down here. Just use my palette knife here to add some little highlights. Just scraping off the bottom here because I can't see the page anymore. You know what's better than a reflecting city? A palm tree. Everybody loves palm trees. The memory of this city reflects in the palm trees. Because it ain't reflecting in the water now, is it? I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Yes, this is a failure, but you know what? I kind of love it.